Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of Breath of Heaven, or often called Mary's Song by Amy Grant. So in today's video, I'm not going to explain any signs. I did all of that in tutorial 1 and tutorial 2. Today we're going to practice everything we've learned so far and put it all together and walk through the song from top to bottom. So we'll get started right away, but remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, you'll find a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, guys, so taking it from the top, I have traveled many moonless, dark nights, cold and weary, with a babe inside. And I wonder, what I've done. Holy Father, you have come. You've chosen me now to carry your son. That's number 1. And then number 2, I am waiting in a silent prayer. You know what? I am frightened by the load I bear. In a world as cold as stone, must I walk this path alone? And then Mary's just crying out to God to be with me now, be with me now. And then that beautiful, beautiful chorus, breath of heaven, hold me together, be forever near me, breath of heaven. And then breath of heaven, lighten my darkness, pour over me your holiness, for you are holy, breath of heaven. And then Mary's really asking God, do you wonder, as you watch my face, that maybe a wiser one should take my place? But I offer all that I am for the mercy of your plan. Just God, help me be strong. Help me be, God, just help me. And then it goes back into that chorus, breath of heaven, hold me together, be forever near me, breath of heaven. Breath of heaven, lighten my darkness, pour over me your holiness, for you are holy. And it goes back into the breath of heaven, hold me together, be forever near me, breath of heaven. Breath of heaven, light in my darkness, pour over me your holiness, for you are holy, breath of heaven. And then that does it 2 more times, breath of heaven, and one last breath of heaven. And that's the song, guys. So practice that as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, in the next video, we're going to sign with the music. I hope wherever you are, that you are healthy and you are well, and that I'll see you soon. Bye. You guys know the drill. Subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of the future songs. You can also find us on Facebook, where we chat a little more about day-to-day life. Hope wherever you are healthy and you are well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.